Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana. I'm very excited to share with you that we are officially launching season 2 of I'm a Celeb. The first look of the second series we will be creating is Ekin-Su from Love Island. Guys, I don't know whether any of you watched Love Island this year. This is actually only my second time watching Love Island and I was so invested. So invested in these random people's lives. The final was Monday this week, and whenever I seen Ekin-Su's hairstyle, I absolutely loved it. Those beach waves just looked so gorgeous, and I was just like, I have to recreate that because I know that you guys will absolutely love it. Now, I think that she actually created those beach waves using a GHD. A hairstylist did it on her and they used a GHD straightener. However, I am going to be recreating that look with the Dyson Airwrap. Also guys, I just want to really quickly say thank you so much to everyone who commented by voting on last week's video what you wanted to call the Sunday videos. I also put a poll on Instagram and the winning title for my Sunday videos was Salon Sundays. However, Sunday Secrets and Styling Sundays, which actually wasn't one that I thought of, but quite a few people comment on it, were a close second. So what I've actually decided is rather than just choosing one of those names, I'm going to choose all three. If it's a hair video on a Sunday, it's going to be called Salon Sundays. If it's a Sunday secret video, it's going to be something maybe about my life. And hopefully it'll just be a video that you guys can watch to get to know me a little bit. The third title will be Styling Sundays, so it'll more than likely be like a fashion haul. Started doing a few of those over my channel and I know you guys love them and I absolutely love doing them. So today's video, obviously as it is hair and we are recreating a hair look, it is a Salon Sunday. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, I have got out of the shower. Although it took me that long to set this up, my hair is like almost dry. I'm actually just going to show you some of the products that I put in before I style my hair because I get a lot of questions about the Airwrap, about people's hair struggling to hold certain styles or it being frizzy or not as defined as they want. First step to creating a look that is frizz-free, defined, long-lasting is the pre-styling product. In terms of shampoo, conditioner and hair mask, I normally use Philip Kingsley or Coco and Eve and I will link them in the description, the ones that I use. Now I'm going to add an Elastyler 5-in-1 styling treatment. So this is just going to hydrate and nourish my hair. I'm just going to add like a pea-size amount and rub it kind of into my fingers and I'm just going to put it at the ends of my hair. Now this is supposed to be on towel dried hair. Your hair is supposed to be wet, but mine's almost dry, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Cut through the mid-lengths to the ends. Next, I'm going to spray in some leave-in conditioner, the Philip Kingsley one. I think I've spoke about this quite a lot in my recent videos because I absolutely love it and I just spray that all over my hair. This also acts as a little bit of a heat defense as well. The number one thing that has to be dry is your roots, and I can tell that my roots are still quite wet even though the ends of my hair is quite dry. So I am just going to blast my roots and make sure those are 100% dry whilst just leaving the ends a little bit damp. So I'm going to put on high heat, high speed. Oh, there we go. There is Hagrid back. We have not had Hagrid on this channel for quite a while now, but here he is out in full force. I'm now going to remove this attachment. I am going to add on the smoothing brush. Guys, we are going to be using the curling barrel to create this look, but with hair like this, you 100% need to smooth it out before you go anywhere near this curling barrel. Whenever I'm doing quite a bit of styling to my hair, I always like to add more heat defense, and guys, you know I love my little Lee Stafford one. Been using it since I was 13. Let's go. Okay guys, there we go. That is my hair smoothed out. Hopefully that's your hair smoothed out too if you are following along. We are now going to remove the smoothing brush and we are going to add on the curling barrel. Now, you want to go with the thinnest curling barrel you have because we want to create really thin waves here because that's just going to make it more defined. It's also going to make your hair thicker. It's just going to be a win-win all around. Action our hair. So guys, to create a wave rather than a curl, we are going to be turning the barrels upside down. I'm just going to add a little bit of water because it is going to work better if your hair is slightly damp. I know that it seems like we've just defeated the object by smoothing it out. Trust me, this hairstyle would look absolutely naff if I had not smoothed that out. So we're just gonna add a little bit of water, just a little bit. It doesn't have to be too damp. That's probably damp enough. Let's go. Guys, you're gonna start by turning the barrel upside down, and you are gonna wrap your hair around from the root to the ends, making sure it is fully wrapped around tightly to the barrel. You are gonna hold on high heat for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you are gonna finish off with a cold shot for another 10 to 15 seconds. Doing the cold shot is just gonna set that wave really nicely, so make sure you don't miss out this step. There we go. Look at that amazing wave. Guys, you ain't getting no better using a wand or a hair straightener. Trust me, like that is just So guys, I'm just gonna finish off this side of my hair before talking you through more tips on the other side of my hair. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. Same thing, you are going to turn the barrel upside down and you are going to wrap your hair tightly around it. Again, you are going to hold it on high heat for 10 seconds. If you find that it is a bit too hot, then put it on the medium heat and just hold it for a little bit longer. Now guys, one tip to preventing it actually burning your scalp, because it does get quite hot as you move up your hair, just make sure you actually have the barrel away from your head. So as you can kind of see here, I don't have it directly on my scalp. Just always make sure that it's lifted, you know, a centimeter or two away from your scalp. That way it doesn't burn, and that way you can usually have it on the highest heat. So guys, if you're wondering whether my arms are sore doing this, yes, my arms are sore doing this. Guys, not gonna lie to you, I'm sweating balls in here. It is hot, hot. Look at that, that looks beautiful. I don't want to pull these waves out too much because they will fall quite naturally on their own. Run through them a little bit with my hands. Guys, I am just absolutely obsessed. That looks amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it looks so smooth. It feels so silky. I love it. Okay, now we're going to take off the curling barrel. If you have the smoothing attachment, get that out because we are gonna use it. Get it on, ladies, because we're gonna smooth just literally the roots. That's it. Just gonna quickly smooth the roots. There we go. That's it. That is all I wanted to do because there was a few flyaways up there. Guys, we are going to finish off this look with a little bit of Coco and Eve hair oil. As I know I say this in every video, but oh my god, this smells like heaven. Like I want to eat it. I feel like I just want to eat it. Okay, you're just going to rub it into your fingers and you're just going to really lightly scrunch it because we don't want to pull out the curls. And there we go, guys. Ekin-Su's hair look complete. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Sunday salon video creating Ekin-Su's hair from Love Island. I absolutely loved making this video for you guys. I hope that you enjoy recreating this look. If you do recreate this look, please tag me in any pictures or videos or stories that you put on Instagram because I love seeing them. Some of you guys have started tagging me in things on Instagram and honestly, like, it fills my heart so much. I will put my Instagram handle up on screen now, and I will also link my Instagram in the description if you want to go over and give me a follow. I actually post loads of hair reels over on Instagram. I'm always posting little hairstyles, Dyson Airwrap ones, all sorts of things over there. If you would like me to recreate any other celebrity hairstyles, please comment on this video and let me know what celebrity hairstyle you would like me to recreate. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday.